Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Corolla. Let's begin by sketching the basic outline of the car's body. Start with a long, horizontal line to establish the ground plane. Then, add two connected oval shapes above it to form the main body and roofline. Remember to keep your lines light, as these are just guides. We'll refine them later to capture the Corolla's distinct profile. This initial step is crucial for good proportions. Now, let's define the body lines of your Corolla. Connect the initial oval shapes with smoother, more precise lines to create the car's overall silhouette. Carefully draw the front and rear bumpers, giving them a slight extension. Then, outline the hood and trunk with gentle, flowing curves. Pay attention to the subtle angles that give the Corolla its modern look. These lines will bring your drawing to life. Next, we'll add the key features that make your drawing recognizable as a Toyota Corolla. Carefully draw the windshield and side windows, focusing on their distinct angles. Then, sketch the headlights and taillights, capturing their specific shapes and sizes. Don't forget the grille details, which are often a prominent design element. Finally, outline the wheels and tires, making sure they fit perfectly within the wheel wells you established earlier. These details truly define the car. To finish your Toyota Corolla drawing, it's time for refining and shading. Gently erase all the initial guidelines, leaving only your clean, defined car. Add smaller details like door handles, side mirrors, and any emblems you wish to include. Now, apply light shading to create depth and dimension, especially under the car and within the wheel wells. Use slightly darker lines for the main outlines to make your Corolla truly pop off the page. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.